So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 15 update after iPhone camera not working. Lot of iPhone and iPad users also reported to iOS update after iPhone camera not working and also iPhone camera black screen issue. iPhone camera not working issue show on iPhone 12 series, 11 series, X series, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6, 6s. So please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this video I give you some tips and tricks about that so easy to iPhone camera black screen issue fix on your iPhone and iPad. Now question is how to fix that issue. So guys, now I will show you some solution. Now first one solution is most important. The solution is enable flashlight and also open the camera on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the control center. Now you can see also flashlight icon. So guys, please make sure turn on the flashlight. Now again come back in home screens. Now open the camera. Now wait for the 20 to 30 second wait. Then again automatically turn on camera on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. Now second one solution is general solution. The solution is turn on and off your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down, last option is shutdown option. So guys, please make sure tap on that. In shutdown options you can see also top corner slide to power off. So guys, please make sure slide to power off after wait for the 20 to 30 second wait. Then again turn on your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Now third one solution is most important. The solution is remove case in your iPhone and also camera lens clean on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now first one important things is remove the case from your iPhone and iPad. Remove case after soft close to clean your iPhone camera lens in your iPhone and iPad. Now fourth solution is check your screen time settings on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and select the screen time. In screen time again scroll down and select the content and privacy restrictions. In privacy restrictions you can see also second option is allow apps. If you turn off camera, so guys, please make sure turn on camera in your iPhone and iPad. Now solution fifth is reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now open the settings. In settings scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and select the second last option is reset options. In reset first option is reset all settings. Enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset all settings and easy to fix your problems. Now solution 6 is most important. The solution is factory reset your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please make sure follow the step. Now open the settings. In settings scroll down and tap on the general. In general second last option is reset option. So guys, please make sure tap on that. In reset you can see also second option is erase all content and setting. So guys, first one is finish uploading, then erase and erase now. Now last one solution is most important. The solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, how to do? If you using iPhone 12 series, 11 series and X series, so guys, first of all tap on the volume up button, then tap on the volume down button and press and hold the on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear on your iPhone screens, then release all the buttons in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now automatically restart your iPhone and easy to fix your problems. Hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.